god, I just got logged out. Okay. I'm just gonna, like, I guess I could, like...
According to YouTube statistics, there is so much stuff going on in this world. What is going on? Coffee. Monster.
Ew, what? There.
I'm pretty sure they don't eat hay.
I don't care, it's just for decorations.
We should blow up her stable.
What should I name my horse?
What?
Gary.
No. Get in.
And here's this.
Get in.
What the heck? I keep getting logged out.
Here, wait. What are you doing? Ew, I got a different color. Why does it do
Oh my god, I'm fire.
Get out. Go back in now, horse.
Come here, Emmy.
Wait, Marley, you have to take that.
What?
Where's that? The flint and steel.
Oh.
Where's that? No.
I'm
Right
coming.
here.
Oh. I'm coming.
So where are we going?
Let's go over here. Let's bomb this mountain.
Oh wait, I need to grab some TNT. Hold on.
Hurry up.
Hi, horse! What should I name it, like, actually?
Henry.
Should it be boy or a girl? Should it be a boy or a girl?
It's up to you. Hot Cheetos make me happy, but not my butthole happy.
Where are you?
Teleport.
Or do we need to do more?
Hurry up.
Hurry up, what? What am I doing?
That's ugly.
Is that good?
Yeah, ready? You light a couple.
Oh, I don't have any of that stupid stuff. Let's go do another one. Hold on, let me get the actual flint and steel this time so I have some. Alright, let's go.
Well, we have to go really far away.